Alright, y'all, welcome back, man. We out here, we finna head to Kentucky. We finna head to Kentucky and grab this load. We're getting coils, the worst of all trades. Don't nobody want to do no coils, but you know what? So we going to Ghent, Kentucky to grab some coils. It's going all the way to Laredo, Texas. We're going back to Laredo. We're going to the terminal. Every time we go to Laredo, El Paso, we're going straight to the terminal. And El Paso not really a terminal and as such. It's just a little area where Melton got the other spots at. But so we gotta drive 200 miles to get there. And then we're gonna drive 400 more miles. And then we're gonna call it even. Turn right here. And we need to figure out which ones are a trailer. We gotta figure out which ones are trailer. And the only way we can figure out which ones are trailer is with these ones that's already like pink tarp. Okay. Now look. They have Melton trailers already situated. So if I'm seeing that one and I'm seeing that one. So that's like the only one. Those don't even look that bad. So we might be good to go, y'all. We might be good to go. So we need to go ahead and go to one of these buildings. I think it's that building right there. Make a loop-dee. Nah, hold on. Alright, boom. Whoo, child. That was a drive, y'all. Let's deal with that later. All right. Oh, come on now. Where the pins at? What are you looking at? Oh shit. What is that, 5? No. Mine was 8 o'clock. All right. Here's what we do. Well, it is cold outside, y'all. Winter is approaching. And we do not like those type of battles, y'all. All right, so the paper says 05, hold on, 32163. That's the trailer number, 32163. You got two tarps that don't look like bad tarps. For real, they don't look like bad tarps. I hope this one is mine because all I gotta do is use straps. Oh, never mind. He's got that one. Okay. Then that means we got this load. Look at our back end skills, y'all. We just get better over time. I got that tarp like that is because the folks before me, the folks that was helping me out at my last spot, they already rolled my tarp. So I wasn't able to roll the tarp the way that I wanted to. And I wasn't gonna deal with the trying to re-untarp it, make it how it's supposed to. I'm gonna just let it be what it is. And whenever I get to tarping another load, then I get the chance to do it again. Come on now. This broke piece of garbage. Huh? Trying to figure out what's going on with this. Trying to figure out what's going on with this. I knew it was an old piece of dirt when I looked at it. Yep. You said that right.
Yeah, I got here about 6:30.
You did?
Well, yeah. Like I told my DM a while back, I said, look, I'm a combat, but I got some health issues, so don't expect Speedy Gonzalez.
Yeah. I got you.
At the pace where I'm moving like a turtle.
Sure. Once I get done, I can help you out. You about there? Huh? You about there? I thought you was gonna need my help. Lord have mercy.
Turn left on US 70.
Oh, it look pat over there. All right, y'all. So what we about to do is we finna find ourselves some parking for the day, boy. We drove like 580 near 600, y'all. Traffic was going on a little bit and entering Tennessee, so we kind of like we had to push back just a tad bit, so that's what happened. That's exactly what happened. There you go. Boy, I can tell, boy, my tarping look good. Hey man, look, gotta love using straps, man. Them straps method always helps, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, that it look kind of packed over here, y'all.
Turn left.
Now, if there's no parking right here, there's a Pilot. If there's no parking at Pilot, there's Planet Fitness, and we can park at Planet Fitness, or we can overnight park right here. I ain't know that. That's crazy. That's good to know. I'm gonna try to get me a workout in. Now you gonna drive all slow, folks. Stupid. Can't stand people. That man was just pushing it to the limit, and now you want to drive all slow. Can't stand them. Can't stand them. All right, let's see. Boy, they over here parked to the side. Like there ain't no parking at all.
Arriving at Lowe's travel stop. Please drive to highlighted route.
Let's see what we can find, y'all. Let's see what we can find. Oh, bastard. All right, let's see where we at right now.
Hey,
oh,
look. Labels blowing up my line, it got me missing calls. Told her you ain't gotta hit me till you lick it. Feel like Xavier, baby, I be cooler than the mink weather. Make a coke bottle, give me brain till I think better. Back up on my again, hanging out with Benjamin. Franklin got me stanking in the like and talking dividends. Look at what we did again. Brought the water dipping in. Down in Texas on them elbows where your digits spin. All these I can smell it through the audio. Lapping everybody got me working on my cardio. Party over daddy home, creeping out the caddy comb. Straight from underground, I got these Maddie on. I've been kick pushing on my grind since the pro skate. I don't do a figure that I'm pro hate. Chilling in the cut like a scab, ready to peel. You ain't gotta like it, I promise you gotta deal with us. Used to be friendly, I'm off that and I'm on business. All I've been seeing is flawed jewelry and fake digits. So when I tell them I'm the coldest, it ain't superstition.
all right, so Apollo is right there. Wait a minute. Now you know what? Ramp closed. All right, so how we gonna do this? I tell you, watch how they gon', boy, I tell you what. All right, so I guess they got a messed up ramp around here, so just keep going straight. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? How we feeling? How we feeling?
On the right.
So we in we're somewhere in Texas, near Dallas. So we got like 500 miles till we head to Laredo. So we finna park here to the pilot that we drove past, and we're gonna call it a day. All right. Hey, look, I had to keep my eyes peeled, y'all, because they're doing construction. So
87 on the right.
the 87 will be right here, but they had to make another detour type. Ooh. Black Benz, black car, couldn't happen fast enough. But thank God I realized what was going on. All right, so let's see what we got here. This is one small area. Now somebody done stole my thing. Look at that. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Y'all, we finally made it to Laredo Terminal. I think I'm gonna be here till Monday personally because because my truck needs to be in the shop. Like, that's a fact. My truck needs to be in the shop. I might just, ooh, you know what? Let me park my trailer right here, so boom, I can just park straight through. That's awesome, Kai. You never been so smart in your life. But Yeah, because my truck needs to be in the shop. So, oh Lord, hold on y'all, let me get my focus on. Cause we here, but we not there all the way. We never done until we back it up somewhere. Back it up and dump it.
Labels blowing up my line and got me missing calls. Told her you ain't gotta hit me till you licking.
Yeah, so my truck needs to be in the shop. I gotta get the heat in my bunk fixed, y'all, cause y'all, I be up north and I ain't got time to be cold like that. Like I can sleep in the cold now. I can sleep when it's cold, but when it's freezing and it's snow and it's snowing over there in New Mexico, oh no, we ain't having that type of party. We is not having that type of party. So more than likely I'll be here till Monday because they are closed. They're not gonna open till Monday. So that's a good thing for me because I can chill out, go to the gym, and just relax, man. Just relax. Oh shit, damn near is about to kiss that time. Damn near. Oh, Kai, you got good intuition. You got great intuition. All right. Well, let me give y'all a little checkup. Oh man, I'm at 1%. let me get back with y'all in a little
Down in
bit.
Texas on them elbows where your digits been. All these I can smell it through the audio. Lapping everybody got me working on my cardio. Party over daddy home.